happening?
I'll tell you exactly what's happening.
Bum!
You bumming at me?
That's what's happening.
This can only mean one thing. DMO DJs.
Oi, mate!
Cold candy. What are we doing, son?
We're getting it down. We're not unboxing, we're not wrapping, you know what I'm saying? So,
We got the EK9 Civic, we got the cold candy, we got the Viking Views Knife of Truth. Let's get this shit done.
boom.
Obviously, I'm the responsible adult out of the two.
Always.
So I've got the knife of truth in it. Let's get into this thing. This is exactly how it's come. What did you order? Do you know what you ordered?
I'd tell you before, it was a Saturday evening. It was probably about 11 o'clock.
No,
when
the
I did
answer
it.
is no. Go on.
I'd had a couple of beers. I think I went for like a £10 jelly mix bag with delivery. It was like 14, 15 quid. Something like that. I was having the munchies for the candy right then, wasn't I?
Ooh! We finished with the Viking Views Knife of Truth. We're going to mark ourselves safe. I'm going to put this out the way.
What are you saying? What's your first opinions?
Look at that. I think I unboxed that like an absolute beast then.
Yeah, damn straight. Yeah, boy.
It's a bag and a half, mine, isn't it?
That's good for a tenner though, isn't it?
That's heavy. I can't even tell you how heavy that is.
Tell you what, that candy's been on road, son.
What roads have been on?
A lot of roads.
M4 most
Down
recently,
the ends
I would
and
have
back
said.
up to you, exactly. Oi, mate!
Check it out, right? That is heavy. I was like, ooh, that's heavy. I just got up my cheeky little scales. I won't put it in the video. Kilogram, just over a kilogram we got
I
there.
tell you what, you opened the box, the packet, so
I did.
I'm gonna open the candy, right?
Can you do this now?
Clean
No,
that. Oh, I
he's fucked
messed
that
it,
up,
I
hasn't he?
messed it. That's alright, we're good, we're safe.
Do you need me to bring the knife over and
That's all good.
help you out?
Resealable bags as well, it's all going on. Check that candy.
Dump it. What we got? Oh, I see. It's all loose, is it?
Yeah, I went for the jelly sweet option.
You went for the jelly sweet option. Well, now, let's get a little selection out. Table is clean. I disinfected it and debagged it before you come. Ooh. It's a green one. Oh, it's a turtle. It's a turtle. How are we doing now, boy?
I'm trying to put on my, I love the egg.
We got fried eggs. What else we got?
Mm.
We got a jelly baby.
We're meant to be reviewing this and I'm just eating it. That's a good thing though.
Mm.
That's good candy.
Mmm. That's good candy. It's not cold. It's cold outside. Oh, I like that. Mmm. Mmm.
Oh no, I love that.
Which one?
Oh.
Red one.
Mm.
Mmm.
Oh, good.
Mmm. Oh, I know what we're going to be doing for the rest of the day. Hey, look. What you doing now?
Lacoste.
Lacoste! You got any Nike or Adidas in here?
I don't know myself, bruv.
Somebody
That's not a bad bag though, is it?
That's not, is it? Oh! I got a shark. I have got, officially, the Fuck Fabian shark. Saffron.
I'm sure I've just seen a strawberry, man.
Oh, find you strawberry.
Do you know what I like about this though?
I don't know what I like about this.
Literally, I don't often eat sweets, yes? Not really my sort of thing. So it is nice when you have a treat like this. But it reminds me of childhood. Going in and getting a mix. Strawberry?
Pick a mix, innit? Remember when Woolworths used to be a thing and you could have the different pick and mixes? Got a strawberry out now.
Well, this is some sweets I used to like doing. So when you go in sometimes to do it, and then you weighed it to get your sticker, and you'd always like...
No. Was this a special needs thing?
No, you'd obviously you put your mix in, weigh it, and they give you a sticker, wouldn't it? Give you a price to do it. How many grams or whatever it was.
Yeah.
Sometimes you remembered, you accidentally held it a little bit like this, so it wasn't as heavy. That crime was a long...
You was a pick and mix road man is what I knew, right?
Exactly, but that was like 10, 15 years ago. I was a bad little youth back then.
Yeah.
We're over that.
Since then, he's only gotten worse. His crimes have only grown. We can only imagine what he gets up to these days. Have we got?
Meerkat. What I like with this, though, is a base selection.
And, like you said, it's resealable. Ooh, I'm actually snapping it shut now. So, we can have a good old go with that later. Do you know, I'm impressed with that. Now, I think we're going to have another go, aren't we? Right, we're going to have to order a bit more. He's got that £100 box, haven't he? He's got a few
buy me
other bits.
that?
I'm not buying you anything, boy. But this is nice. This is a proper Netflix and chill, not with you, but grab the bag, get it done, sap it.
And to be fair, I can always tell when I'm a very loud person. I'm always shouting, I'm always this, that, and the other. When I'm quiet, I'm eating because I'm enjoying something.
He goes quiet when he's happy, definitely.
I'm happy. This is good. Oh, look at him, man. He's lost his legs somehow.
Paraplegics. Equal opportunities, cold candy.
I love him.
And on that gummy bombshell, thank you very much for watching. I'm gonna get through these quite quickly, I imagine. Right, we're gonna order some more in the future, unless our friend DMO wants to send us some. And we'll film that too.
I'm on that vibe.
Awesome. Oh, I'm pleased with this. I didn't know what to expect, so I didn't know what you'd ordered, but that's cool. Right, thanks for watching. Till next time, all the best. Boosh.